back to my channel. It's your girl Nikisha. Today we're going to be doing a flexi rod set for the first time ever in life. So I start off with freshly washed hair, deep condition it for an hour, and this is what it's looking like after I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. And yeah, I just bought these flex rods on Amazon. I'll have the link down below for you guys, but this is my first attempt. Cross your fingers because it's going to be a ride. I first want to say that this was the hardest hairstyle I have done so far in my natural hair. First of all, I want to say the rods were very slippery with the product on them, so it was hard to bend and get them wrapped around my hair. Second of all, I want to say that I had to make sure my hair was very detangled and make sure it was full of product so it will wrap around the perm rod. And then when I got to the end, trying to figure out how to make sure my hair stayed on the rod as I rolled it. And then holding the rod and seeing what was easier for me to do. Was it holding it against the root or rolling it up? I tried both. Both of them were hard. This was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. But I did it. And it got a little easier. I don't think I ever quite mastered it. But then again, this is my first time trying these for the very first time. And so yeah. I didn't expect to be an expert at it, but daggone it, I didn't expect it to be this daggone hard. And however they laid and however they look, honey, listen, that's how it was going to be. If it was just a little bump curl, I was going to say, forget it, whatever. I can always put in the ponytail, my go-to style, if it looked that bad. But yeah, I'm over here struggling. I'm just letting you know. This was not easy for me. And maybe it's because I can't chew bubblegum and walk at the same time. I don't know, but trying to comprehend wrapping around and how to do it at the same time and then not have it slipping off of the rod, child, please, it's too much. By the time I got to the front, I was over it. Like, over it. You hear me? Over it. I kept on combing it out, making sure it was smooth. I was over it, okay? Over it. I was just ready for this to be over with. I ran out of the small one, so I had to use a neck size up. And yeah. The twisting and bending of these things, maybe because they're new, they were hard, but it was complicated trying to twist these things up. By this time, I was over it, and I just took two big ones and was trying to be over getting this hair done. Now this is the next day, and I'm showing you what my hair is looking like, taking it down. At first, I was hopeful. I was really, real hopeful. I really was hopeful. I was like, okay, you got this, Nikisha. You got this. All this hard work, you got this. Let's just see what your work has gave you. And the first one wasn't that bad. I was like, okay, I was hopeful. But as I start taking them down, and as I start unraveling them, my hope soon went away. Alright, so this is the last one I'm taking out. And as you see, my hair is very poofy. And, yeah, little curls at the end, but mostly poofy. I look like a poodle. And I'm not going to hide my disappointment. That's the face. I look like a poodle, but I'm still hopeful. Still, just a little bit. We're going to unravel these anyway. But at this point, I was like, what's the point? High ponytail it is. So you're going to see how I'm trying to still give it the benefit of the doubt, unravel them. And yeah, we'll see how it looks at the end. So it wasn't a total fail, but it wasn't what I expected either. I mean, this one's not even curled. Like, look at that. It's a little curled. And then there's one down here that's not even, what is this? So I think what I'm gonna do next time is not use so much product. I mean, put product on my hair, but then wipe it and then wipe my hands. Because these things get stuck in them. Stuff in them. So we're gonna make do with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix this, but we're gonna fix it, okay? I'm just gonna see what I can do to fix this. Cause I look like a poodle. Yep, a poodle. Cute poodle, but a poodle nonetheless. We'll get some bobby pins. So here I'm just manipulating my hair to get it to how I like it and putting bobby pins where I need to, just to make it look how I want. And yeah, I was on my way to church and the girl didn't have time. See, some of my curls were cute. Some of them came out okay. But then, some of them just, looked all poofy and a poodle. So if you have any suggestions on what I can do the next time, because I want to try these again, but so the next time it won't look so bad, can you help me out so I won't look like a poodle? A cute poodle at that? But yeah, some of them came out cute like I said, and some of them looked a hot mess. But anyway, like I said, it's my first time. It wasn't a complete fail, but it was a fail nonetheless. And we're gonna rock this hairstyle. That's what I was saying right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.